Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's Making Things, Building Things, what are we doing in the workshop?
And what are we doing this week?
This week we're making this turkey.
We're making turkeys for Thanksgiving!
Yeah, so here we go. Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm taking this turkey, and we're gonna print this turkey.
Nice.
Print!
Yeah. And that's our design.
Turkey!
Yeah.
So I got this 1x piece of pine here, and I just need to cut it about that short. Doesn't need to be perfect, so we'll cut that out real quick. We have another saw sitting in a box that actually does the pull that we could have actually cut this out on. So now I gotta cut this little piece right here.
All right, so we got the design right here, we printed it out, and I got a glue stick right here. We're gonna go ahead and glue this on so that we can make sure it doesn't fall off while we're cutting it. And there we go.
Now we're gonna cut this out before it dries real quick. Normally I don't lower the guard because I do this a lot and I do a lot of fine little stuff, but all of these little curves, I'm gonna lower the guard on this one just for safety reasons.
Alright, so now if Dad did this right and did it fast enough, then this should just peel right off. If not, we're gonna have to sand this off. So let's see, I'm gonna try and go really slow, see if I can get this off. So it looks like Dad did and didn't do it fast enough. Most of it came off, but there's a little bit that we have to clean up. So here we go.
Okay, so I got a couple more pieces off camera, but I just couldn't get these last couple ones, so we're just going to go ahead and sand them off. So here we go. Look at that, got it all off, yeah!
So if you've watched a build video of ours before, I think you might know what time it is. The time it is... Mineral Spirit time! Yeah!
Mineral spirits!
Woo! Hopefully I didn't break everybody's eardrums. Turn down the volume because I think it's going to be real quiet in that section. So the reason that we're using mineral spirits for this project is mostly because we're going to paint this thing. And it really gets all the sawdust off and prepares the project for what we're about to do to it, which is painting it. So, here we go. There we go. And on to the next step. So now we're gonna lightly pencil this out, and you know what's perfect? I have a reference. Yeah. So here we go. Okay. So here at Friday Workshop, we just thought of something awesome and innovative, and we're probably getting a bunch of money from this from people. So what it is just flipping it around and just drawing the circle back that way, because it's just a circular shape that way. So here we go.
That looks awesome.
Yeah. All right, so I got all of my paint pens right here. We're gonna go ahead and paint this out. So here we go. I have a Sharpie paint pen right here. We're gonna go ahead and outline this, so here we go. And there we go. On to the next step. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this clear coat shellac. So here we go.
That's the build.
Yeah, that is the turkey.
Holy cow, what a cool, fun project.
Yeah, it turned out pretty well too, yeah.
Super easy, super quick. Yeah, I think it's great.
So if you like this video, you should check out this one.
Like and
Subscribe.
subscribe!
Yeah.